Yo, this is how I made this tech pack in under 2 hours. The screen's a little bit weird for this one, but just bear with me. At the start, I uploaded a picture of my mock-up. If you haven't done that, I would recommend doing that first. And then I put a background on that to make it look a little bit crispier. Next, I made a white box with an import of my tag on there, along with space for my exact colors. You don't have to do a tag, I just recommend it. If you want a color number and you don't know how to get that, just look up a specific YouTube video for your application. After, I created a box with my logos and then also a box for my measurements that I'll be measuring out in a little bit. I also made that bigger just so everything fits. This is a box I made just for extra information on the garments. You don't have to do this, it just helps your manufacturers see your vision a little bit clearer. I added some pinpoints of measurements along with lettering them so everything's just nice and organized. I wrote down each individual measurement corresponding with the letter and then physically got my tape measure out and measured a pair of pants that I liked and then based my measurements off those. Here I measured the designs. I made a box with some extra information I want my manufacturer to know. This isn't mandatory, I just did it because I wanted it. Some pictures for referencing, once again this isn't mandatory. And boom, final product. Let me know if this helped.